You search for best tankless water heater and everything looks the same claims, same photos, same promises. The one everyone buys online, it's probably not the one that actually works when you need it. Most people don't realize that popularity doesn't mean performance. And today, I'm breaking down which ones actually deliver and which ones are just overpriced hype. Product number 1, EcoSmart Eco 11. Let's start with the EcoSmart Eco 11, a 13 kW electric tankless heater that's often recommended for small bathrooms or office sinks. It's compact, energy efficient, and priced around $266, which feels fair for what it offers. If you want endless hot water for a single faucet without taking up floor space, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 13 kilowatt output means it can heat water on demand, no more waiting for a tank to refill. It uses self-modulating technology, so it only uses power when needed, saving electricity compared to traditional heaters that constantly keep water warm. The digital LED display lets you set your exact temperature, and at 99% thermal efficiency, nearly all the energy goes into heating water, not wasted heat. But there's a catch. Multiple reviews mention issues with installation complexity. Some users say the wiring requirements are tricky, especially if you're not comfortable working with 240V circuits. Also, because it's designed for low-flow applications like a bathroom sink, running multiple fixtures at once will cause temperature drops. So while it's great for point-of-use needs, it won't handle a shower and a dishwasher simultaneously. This is perfect for you if you live alone, need instant hot water at a single sink or small bathroom setup, and want something compact and efficient. Skip this one if you expect it to power an entire home's hot water demands. It just isn't built for that. At $266, it's reasonably priced for its niche, but make sure your electrical system supports it before buying. Product number 2, XWDZS WGS 3000W Mini Heater. Now, if the EcoSmart's power seemed too strong for your needs, this XWDZS WGS Mini Tankless Heater takes a completely different approach, ultra-low voltage at just 110V and 3000 watts. Priced at only $77, it's one of the cheapest options out there, making it appealing for RVs, tiny homes, or emergency backups. What makes this stand out? With a digital display and settings in both Fahrenheit and Celsius, it heats water fast, raising it by up to 131 degrees F at 0.5 gallons per minute. It's lightweight, fits under most sinks, and includes safety features like dry combustion protection and automatic shutoff if it overheats. For someone living off-grid or needing quick hot water in a cramped space, this delivers real value. First, it's strictly vertical installation only. Mounting it sideways causes errors like E2 faults. Second, it maxes out at 0.5 GPM, which isn't enough for anything resembling a shower. Even a weak spray requires about 1.8 GPM. Many buyers complain it barely keeps up with hand washing or light dishwashing. Plus, with 0 customer reviews available, we can't verify long-term reliability. This is perfect for you if you're camping, using it as a supplemental heater in a garage workshop, or need emergency hot water in a rental apartment where rewiring isn't allowed. Skip this one if you expect it to replace your main shower system. It just lacks the flow rate and durability for serious use. At $77, it's cheap, but ask yourself, is short-term convenience worth potential frustration? Product number 3, Rheem 18kW Pro Model. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for high-demand situations. The Rheem 18kW 240V model, priced at $562. This isn't meant for small spaces. It's a professional-grade unit built for whole-house performance. Why this solves your problem differently? With 18 kilowatts and dual copper immersion elements, it can deliver up to 4.4 gallons per minute, enough to run 2 showers back-to-back or handle kitchen and laundry demands simultaneously. The thermostatic control maintains temperature within 1 degree accuracy, so you never get cold surprises. And unlike cheaper models, Rheem uses field-serviceable parts, meaning repairs are easier down the road. That said, this isn't without flaws. Installation is complex. You'll need heavy-duty wiring, a dedicated 30-amp circuit, and possibly a licensed electrician. Several users report difficulty finding compatible breakers or upgrading their panel. Also, at nearly $600, it's significantly more expensive than competitors with similar specs. And some reviewers note the plastic housing feels less durable than expected. Skip this one if you're renting, lack electrical upgrades, or only need water for one fixture. While pricier, its capacity and brand reputation justify the cost if you've got the infrastructure to support it. Product number 4, Titan Electric Tankless. If Rheem's size intimidated you, Titan steps in with a mid-range alternative, compact at 9.6 inches wide and 12 inches tall, yet packing 11,800 watts and 54 amps. Priced at $313, it sits between budget and pro models, offering dual heating chambers and advertised long warranties. It's wall-mountable, fits tight spaces, and targets users who want more power than a mini heater but don't need Rheem-level output. The specs suggest it could serve a full bathroom or small apartment efficiently, but buyer complaints reveal red flags. Multiple reports cite inconsistent temperature control and premature failure of heating elements after 6 months. One common issue is poor customer service response. Warranty claims take weeks to resolve. Also, despite marketing claims, independent tests show its actual flow rate falls short of advertised numbers under real-world conditions. This is perfect for you if you want a balance between size, power, and affordability, ideal for medium-sized homes or shared living spaces. Skip this one if you prioritize reliability over savings or plan to use it heavily daily. Product number 5, Rheem 3.5 kW point of use. Now, if previous product's weakness bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Rheem's 3.5 kW 120V point of use model, priced at $243. Designed explicitly for ultra-compact areas like closets, garages, or wet bars, it's 98% smaller than standard tanks. Ideal for low-flow scenarios where convenience trumps volume, perfect for someone who just wants hot coffee or hand-washing without tank bulk. However, it's not without drawbacks. The tiny 0.9-gallon equivalent capacity means it reheats quickly but can't sustain prolonged use. Several users say it struggles during morning routines involving multiple faucets. Also, hardwiring limits flexibility. Renters may face landlord approval hurdles. This is perfect for you if you need targeted hot water in a specific spot, live in a studio apartment, or want minimalist installation without venting or large footprints. Skip this one if you anticipate frequent multi-fixture use or prefer plug-and-play simplicity. At $243, it's competitively priced for its niche, offering genuine space savings with reputable engineering. So which tankless water heater actually wins? The EcoSmart Eco 11 shines for small homes and single-sink needs, while the Rheem 18kW dominates in performance for larger households. For extreme budget picks, the XWDZSWGS gets you started, but expect compromises. Titan tries to bridge the gap but stumbles on reliability, and the Rheem 3.5 kW offers precision where space vanishes. Your perfect match depends entirely on how much hot water you really need.